Hi guys, I got something very exciting today because every 2 weeks I'm gonna do a power pour. What is a power pour? Well, I'm gonna give you the power. You want the power to decide what colors, what technique, what sizes I'm gonna make because I really want to do a project sort of together. I want to thank you for all your love, support and comments every morning. I wake up so happy reading all this. I really want to thank you. So you can leave your comment with the colors, techniques, sizes, whatever you want me to do. I'm gonna make a poll out of these comments, or at least I'm gonna pick 5 of them, and whatever wins, I'm gonna make. So I hope this is getting me out of my sort of comfort zone as well. And the first power pour I'm gonna make is from Barb template. In video 26 she commented and she asked me to do different shades of pink and a maroon color. So let's make the first one. Okay, there's already a base of white on the canvas and I'm gonna start with some light pink, then the maroon color, vibrant pink, maybe a bit more of this one, and then magenta, some bronze, let's pour white around this, blow it over. Something happening, yeah. Okay, gonna blow it out. Let's just pretty this. Composition is great already. Yeah, this composition is very beautiful. I'm gonna torch this. Yeah, I really like this. Thanks, Barb. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close-up, guys. Beautiful first power pour. Yes. Can't wait till all your comments come in. Don't forget to comment what you want me to do. Love this. I'm really looking forward to it. Maybe yours I will do next. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.